You want some food? Do you want food? Are you hungry? Tell me you're hungry. Oh, you want some? You ready to eat? Come on. But you're fat.
No. You can eat some food, Molly. Tell Daddy you want some food. Tell Daddy.
You want some food, baby? What kind of food do you want? Do you want some dog food?
Or do you want puppy food?
You want people food? You don't care.
Any kind of food? Okay, go get your food.
Come on. Let's go.
She's going to use that unless you want to eat.
Come on, let's go. Show me where your food's at. Where's your food?
Go get your food, Molly.
Let's go get your food. Come on.
She's like, I'm fine.